They don't teach you this in PMP, but this is the real truth about risk management. It's not just tool, it's a mindset that separates great manager from everyone else. Picture this, a project is on fire, deadline missed, budget collapsing, everyone is panicking. And there is one manager with calm, focus and unshaken. Well, you think it's experience. No, it's awareness. Risk management isn't about avoiding problems, it's about seeing them before they happen. It's not just an Excel sheet or checklist, it's emotional control. The ability to ask what could go wrong and what's my plan if it does. And that's why great managers never panic, because they have already rehearsed the chaos in their mind. They don't fear uncertainty, they prepare for it. And that's what makes people trust them. Not their title, not their degree, but their calmness. So next time when your project hits storm, don't freeze, don't freak out. Smile, open your plan and say, I was ready for this. And that risk management, well, that's real leadership. If this helped you to see the risks differently, hit that like button, drop a comment and follow us for more real world PM wisdom.